dancing. Keep dancing. What do you think? What do you think, that wacky guy? Look at him, he's a wacko. Wow! Dancing? You see him dancing? What do you think of that? Go ahead, honey, go dance with him. Want to go show him your move? Show him your stuff.
She might be afraid.
I heard you're a good dancer, Maya.
Show him your stuff. Show him your stuff. Let's see.
All right. See the hands.
Put the hands up. Let's go.
Hands in the air.
Let's go.
All right,
Yeah.
Maya.
There it is. Yeah.
Good job.
All right.
Yeah.
Good job. Misha, you put your hands in the air? All right.
Wow. What do you think? Wow. That's fun, huh?